Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and today we have a little unboxing. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is in the gold color. This is the 256 gigabyte model. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and take a look at it. So I'm really curious to put this phone through its paces as the improved cameras. And as you can see, it comes with all the standard accessories that last year's model came with. I'm also curious about the new cinematic feature. I'm not thrilled as it's being called cinematic that it can only shoot 30p. Cinematic is 24p. Also, it is limited to 1080p. So I will be putting that through its paces to see how it is. So this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max on the left, the blue one, so you can see it, and they really do seem like they are pretty much the same size. But to really tell, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in an iPhone 12 Pro Max case and see how it compares size-wise. So we'll go ahead and try that. But just looking at them here, as you can see, they look fairly close. Some people said the camera bumps, I thought the camera bumps would be a little bit bigger. I think they are actually slightly bigger, but I think the phone is actually a little bit thicker too. But we'll go ahead and take a look at that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how it fits in the Moment case from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So here's the case with the bayonet lens adapter on there. So it seems to fit on this side, but when I pop it in, I can feel a little bit of resistance. And no, it is too thick. So the camera bump, it does not work. But maybe because that insert is removable, maybe you only will need a new insert. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the insert out on that Moment case. And now we're going to go ahead and try and see how it works. And it does work perfectly. So when you take the adapter out, that insert, it seems to work fine. So maybe they just need to redesign the insert and you can use your old case. I think that will work out great. Okay, so there will be more tests coming soon, guys. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.